Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to convert MBR to GPT in Windows 11 disk management. So if you convert a drive using disk management without backing up your files, you will lose all your data on that drive, so be very careful. Right, so now guys, what do we do? So you just open up your task disk management, then you just find your drive, right, and delete all existing partitions. So how do you do that? So I'm obviously not going to do that because I don't want to erase my data. So you just choose your disk. For example, choose this one. You right click and then you choose delete. You do this on all of them if you have multiple, right? So on this one as well. Then you need to also repeat this until the entire drive shows as a single black bar labeled unallocated. As you can see, I have this reserved space here. It has to be like all the way to the left and to the right, so taking all the space sideways. Then you just right click, you go to properties, and then guys, when you do that, you just need to right click on your drive and then choose convert to GPT disk. And then you just select that unallocated space, select new simple volume, which can be found right here, new simple volume, follow the wizard and assign a drive letter and format it as NTFS. And that is it. Enjoy the guide as always. Thank you for watching.